Wait a minute, now do it.
You wish you had a ride like this, don't you? Yeah.
What kind of rims them got on it?
No!
Yeah!
Them shock rims?
Yeah!
What kind of engine you got in that there thing?
Cardboard! Yeah!
One of your customers driving down the road
That's
right.
a cardboard box.
One of your drivers, one of your workers driving down the road and you own a company.
Your brother's stealing your hat.
Leave me alone, would you?
Oh, here we go. Here we go. On cue.
Keep going! Keep going.
Two of them. Yeah! Two of them.
2 for 1.
I'm just trying to rock.
Get over here.
2!
Wait, no.
1! 3!
He mouth flipped the chair.